Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase size for map labels on the Atlas Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you how to our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the lower left corner of the home screen. Click to the settings icon at the upper right corner. And in the general settings you can find the increased size for map labels. If you want to enable, just click the white circle. And if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, and if you want to turn on, just click that circle, turn off, just click that circle again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.